I'm Vanessa Cole, co-founder of Cole Climb Builders, and our mission is to provide affordable new homes for families in need.
I'm Katrina Icasa, founder of Icasa Company, and our mission is to rehab homes for affordable home buyers.
We're friends, moms, entrepreneurs, and lovers of all things real estate.
By the way, we're both licensed realtors with a passion to educate on buying and investing in real estate.
Together, we have sold over $30 million in real estate, and our mission is to educate our listeners on buying, selling, and investing in real estate. Welcome to Housing Happy Hour. Welcome, everyone. Housing Happy Hour, episode 8. It's Vanessa and
Katrina. Welcome, friends.
Yes, social family listeners. So today's episode, we're going to be talking about quick tips to sell your home fast. And I definitely want Katrina to lead this episode because Katrina has the background in fix and flip and flipping homes. She's the real estate investor when it comes to taking something that needs work, beautifying it, and selling it for a profit. So for those of you out there that have existing homes that are considering putting it on the market to sell, we thought this would be a great episode to kind of go over some quick tips and how to get your home ready to sell fast. So Katrina, let's talk about a few things that a seller could do to sell their home fast.
Okay. So let's say you are thinking, hey, in the next 6 months, year, I want to sell my house. Or you just bought the house and it's a little dated and where will my money be the best investment?
Yeah.
And I would always say that the kitchen and master bath are your prime place to do little tweaks or big investment, how much ever you want to invest to really recoup your investment back.
Because when you think about that, the kitchen is always like a focal point.
Right.
Where when you come into somebody's house, a lot of times everyone's in the kitchen.
Yeah.
And that's where you see a lot of...
It's a gathering place.
Absolutely.
Right.
Yeah. And so what in the kitchen and the bathrooms in particular?
I would say lighting. Lighting is a very inexpensive way to add character or add a pop of dramaticness, just a focal point, right? If you invest, you can invest. I've bought lighting for $30 on Amazon and it's been amazing to bring some character into a space.
Yeah.
But you can spend more and it be a very big focal point of the house.
Yes.
So it's really kind of what are you looking to invest? But I would definitely say the kitchen or the master bath. The next thing I would spend money investing on is faucet hardware in the kitchen or the master bath.
So do you change your own faucets?
You can. Yeah, it's very easy. You can go to Home Depot or Lowe's and the kits are so simple.
Yeah.
It's very easy.
See, that's good. I just bring all of my faucets to my plumber. Well, technically, our plumber supplies all of the small faucets, and then I just bring the kitchen faucet because I want, like you say, a statement piece. And but I hand him the kit, and then I leave. So it's pretty DIY.
Yeah,
and I'm sure there's YouTube tutorials.
Right. And you can the other place that I think is a very good point of focus is the exterior, your front yard. Your front porch. Many times that's overlooked. You know, when you go on MLS and you're looking at pictures, it is insane how many times people forget, hey, let me put $100 worth of mulch and new plants, flowers with color, and it changes the front of the home.
Yes,
that would be the next
appeal.
place. Yes, the curb appeal. It's the first thing you see.
The first impression.
Exactly.
It's just like you walking into a room.
Yeah.
It's the first impression, right?
Well, yeah, it's when you walk into a room, they're looking at your outfit. Well, your front of your home, the exterior of your home is the first thing that people are going to see.
And this is not, from a judgmental standpoint, this is you want to sell your house.
Yes.
So you want this house to look as good as possible.
Exactly.
And Katrina's saying with maybe spending less than $1,000.
Yeah, you can do it in a weekend.
$500, right? So $500 to $1,000, and in 2 days, you can really add thousands of dollars back into your bottom line and sell it quickly.
Yes,
right?
Exactly.
So keep going. You said some mulch in the front.
Mulch in the front.
A little bit of
some
flowers.
fresh flowers.
Mm-hmm.
The other thing that we talked about was definitely if you're putting your home on the market, you want professional photos. If you hire a realtor and they walk in and want to use their phone for photos, fire them.
If anybody comes in your house and plans to
No.
put that online,
Yes. You need professional photos.
run away.
Yes. And before they come for the photos, you want to declutter and deep clean.
Yes.
You're going to move anyway. So you might as well start packing up the things that you don't need for staging your home.
Yes.
The photos of family photos, humans in the pictures, you got to get rid of those pictures.
Yes.
You want it to feel like you're walking into a hotel lobby. You know, hotel lobbies are always
Yes.
pretty and they're staged perfectly, but it's
That's
not like
good.
personal, you know?
Yes.
Anybody can relate to it. And that's what you want. You want someone to walk in your house and they can envision their life in this house. They can envision their family there, their furniture there.
Yes.
You have your family photos everywhere.
You don't want them distracted looking at Cousin Pete
Yeah.
and little Bobby in the photos and, oh, look, they went camping. We went to that, like you're saying, you want that lobby ready.
Yes.
And I found sometimes that a lot of sellers would be a little bit taken back by that request. Like,
Right.
well, this is my house. Why should I have to? And it's like,
You
let's
got
take the personal, take the emotion
the
out of
attachment
it.
out of it. Exactly.
This is a business when it comes time to sell your house. And it's about getting that product ready
Right.
is really what it comes down to.
And
Nothing against
attracting the buyers.
family photos.
Right. Because
Yeah,
it's not going to sell if you don't have a buyer. So it's not.
absolutely.
It's not going to be your home anymore. So you got to take your personal
the emotion out the
emotion
equation.
out of it. Yes. Yes.
A lot of women need to do that in general. I don't want to go down that road, but
Going down a rabbit hole. Let's
We're
change
going
the,
down.
Change the subject.
let's stay focused. We're talking about sell your house fast. But no, it's important to just take the emotion out the equation, trust a professional, and get that house ready.
I would say that's the weekend lipstick for your home. Get it ready.
Absolutely.
Even for even if you're not selling this year, but you say, you know what, I want to put a little bit of money into my home. I want to make my home feel refreshed and updated. That's where I would focus.
I would too, and just to take it a step further in terms of you seller, if you're serious, and like you said, if you're in a timeline where you're 6 months out, I would maybe even encourage you, and this is just me because I like to go the extra mile, maybe even get a home inspection.
Yeah.
And I say that because if you invest another $300 to $400 into your home to just understand the current condition of it,
Right.
and if you really want to get retail value, if there are a few things that need to be replaced or touched up, and maybe you have a home warranty in place and you can do these little things, that's something to consider. You
Right.
don't have to do it, but if the less thing the buyer has to nitpick at,
Right.
the more money you can command, the more value
Right.
you can command.
Especially when you buy a new home. That first year you have
Yeah.
that 12-month warranty. I always advise my new home buyers to get an inspection like at the 10-month mark so that they can have all those things fixed
Yes.
for free by the seller, by the builder.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, and we do that as the builder. We do 11-month walkthroughs.
Yeah.
And that's under your warranty.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
But you just offer it. They don't have to call in and set it up and forget.
for free. Absolutely.
That's nice.
So that's it, guys. Quick tips to selling your house fast in a weekend. And under $1,000. I mean, you can't beat that.
No.
That was some great advice, Katrina.
Thank you. Thank you guys for tuning in.
Thank you, guys, and stay tuned for episode 9, and we will be covering how to invest in real estate. All right, guys, stay tuned.
Soon.
Talk to you soon. Bye.